Welcome to Chart of the Day. I'm Robert Folsom. Happy holidays. Robert Prechter's December Theorist. Save this one for the record books. This is Chart of the Day, so we will get to a chart momentarily. First, however, a brief introductory comment on the year 2020. This year has been, let's not mince words, just god-awful. Yes, that's a real word, but substitute whatever synonym for god-awful you prefer. Most obvious has been the catastrophic number of deaths. But our politics, economy, just our ability to go out have all been badly injured. Other activities we take for granted have also been severely curtailed or are just gone. Yes, there is good news about the pandemic, but the collective benefit is months away. So as for good news about the immediate future, well, there is a topic which has become the storehouse of hope regarding the weeks and months to come. It is the stock market. And this hopeful consensus is more than just bullish. The extreme enthusiasm about the market is as widespread as the bullishness itself. As for how extreme, I'm going to let Robert Prechter speak to that via his commentary in the December Elliott Wave Theorist. Quote, "This issue focuses on the astonishing level of optimism in the stock market today. Save these pages. You can review them in a couple of years." End quote. Why did Bob say that? The visual case in point was this November Money Week magazine cover. The Roaring 2020s. Prepare your portfolio for a boom. Money Week is a widely read British publication, yet the cover was inspired by a research report from the most prominent investment bank on Wall Street, namely Goldman Sachs, in other words, the consensus leader. And Bob Prechter goes on to say, quote, "Think of what these optimists are saying. Not that the market is in a late 1920 style advance, but one that is about to begin. These predictions are coming out after the Dow has risen 65% since March, 360% since 2009, and 5,000% since 1974, end quote. And of course, there's more. From JP Morgan, one of the best backdrops for sustained gains in years. From LPL Financial, S&P 500 earnings growth of 25% in 2021. UBS, the key driver of U.S. equities will be the pace of vaccinations. Bank of America, S&P 500 dividends are set to increase in 2021. BMO Capital Markets, 2021 has the potential to be one of the best years ever in terms of earnings growth. Credit Suisse, full employment by the second half of 2022. Morgan Stanley, 2021 will be much more about stock picking. The Globe and Mail, why the Dow at 100,000 may not be all that far away. The Wall Street Journal, behind Dow 30,000, a self-perpetuating upward cycle. End quote. As for the chart I mentioned, it is one of 11 charts in the December issue, showing extremes in average daily volume, the flow of funds into mutual funds and ETFs, the share of individuals who believe stocks will rise over the next 6 months, and more. So here's the chart, which is the monthly Dow Industrials from September 3rd, 1929 through December 14th, 2020. The length of the run is at the supercycle degree of trend, as the fully labeled chart in the issue shows. Yet, Bob also makes the chart a brief lesson in contrasting magazine cover sentiment. This is the famous/infamous Death of Business Week cover of August 1978, which published near the end of the 1970s bear market just before the 40-plus year epic bull run. And this cover I've already explained, so the contrast should speak for itself. This chart and the Elliott Wave Theorist issue have a uniquely important message for investors. Unique as in you won't read or see anything like it elsewhere. Please see below for more subscription information.